Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian English by Ranjita. I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well. So friends, it is day 21 and I have completed 20 days of 30 days English speaking challenge. So I am very happy about that because I am practicing every day, so I am improving and I can see myself I am improving a lot in 20 days. So if you want to learn with me, so subscribe my channel and follow my channel. Okay, and thank you my viewers who is watching my video. And yeah, so today I want to talk about my biggest mistake about learning this language. So my biggest mistake was my mindset, because I used to think it is a subject and means I can learn easily, but I was wrong. Okay, so because of my mindset, I did mistake. I went offline class and I spent more time, more money, all that. Okay, I was putting effort, all my effort, but it was a wrong way, I can say. Because if today's generation means today's life, if I want to learn English, so I can learn easily at our 9 month, I can learn easily. Otherwise means earlier it was not possible. I didn't know how to do and how to do practice and how to do improve in myself. But after going means after going that offline class, then I have realized that no, it was my biggest mistake and I have to learn by social media. Now I am using many method to learn this language, and yeah, I am putting effort in this way, means it is my way to learn this language, because every person has their own capacity to learn this language. Every person has their own mindset. Okay, so you should choose your mindset. I am choosing my mindset, means I am choosing my way to learn this language. Okay, so it is my way to learn this language. If you want to learn this language, so you should put effort, you should listen more and more, you should read more and more, and if you have time to, so you should write. Then it will be clear your mind, means because it is a language, so it takes a time. But I was not thinking like that, means earlier. Okay, so I used to think it is easy, and then I took two classes, means two classes means 4 month one class and 4 month another class. Okay, so I took 8 month of this language, for this language. Okay, so it was my biggest mistake. If that mistake I didn't do, so because I didn't know that time. Okay, I didn't know when I was started my speaking, not speaking, when I started my offline classes. That time I didn't realize that I have to listen. Okay, when I scroll, when I scroll my video, that time the Hati ma'am's video pop up. Okay, but that time I thought that yeah, she is a extraordinary person, because in this world we have lots of extraordinary person. So maybe she is an extraordinary person and she can learn in at home only. Okay, but and I didn't realize that time. Okay, and then I means I did regular classes, and I got only, means I improved. Okay, then I thought that no, it is not going to be work, so I have to means I stop. I didn't know it. It take time, and it takes time and patience and all the things, and the consistency was not there. Okay, means I 4 month I consistent, I was going to that class every day. But in that way also I was not putting much more effort, only I was taking class, and uh, I was doing like 1 hour to means 1 hour I can say, 1 hour class and 1 hour at home. But it was not sufficient for learning this language, I could say. Okay, if we do consistent practice, everyday practice, so it is enough. But if we are not doing consistently, means we are making mistakes and we are consistently not doing, so we can't learn this language in a good way. Okay, so it was my biggest mistake, I would say. And in mistakes is a part of learning any language. Okay, but we have to do mistake, but we should learn from them. I learned that class like now I have confidence to teach someone. Okay, because confident means I have experienced offline classes also, and self talk also, means self practice also. So I have experienced, so I can elaborate easily. Okay, what I thought that time, and now I what I think, so I can elaborate easily. So that's how I am learning. And I am always if I do any mistake, so I learn from that mistake. I learn from something, means I learn something from that mistake. Okay, in my life also, if I do any mistake, so I learn from something, means that thing. Like yesterday I made a sweet dish. Okay, so I tried for my family. Okay, I tried one sweet dish. So first time when I tried, so it was not a mistake. Okay, it was not mistake, it was good. But yesterday I tried second time, so some mistake I did, and now I know how to do that. Okay, so I learn from that mistake. Okay, so my point is that you can do mistake, but you can learn something from them. Okay, so you can learn something from that mistake. So mistake is the part of our learning. Okay, and we can learn easily when we do mistake. Okay, so this is my message. If you want to learn with me, so you can join my 30 days English speaking challenge, and you can learn. And we will meet tomorrow. Till then, keep practicing, keep moving forward in your life. Thank you.